Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for mucus. Oregano oil, derived from the wild oregano plant, is a powerful natural remedy. Its primary active compound, carvacrol, is known for its ability to help break down and thin mucus, making it easier for your body to clear your airways. This can provide significant relief from congestion and support overall respiratory wellness. We'll explore several effective ways to incorporate it safely. For internal use, it's crucial to always dilute oregano oil due to its potency. A common method is to mix 1 to 3 drops with a carrier oil, such as a teaspoon of olive oil or coconut oil. You can take this mixture orally up to 3 times a day, but only for short durations. Alternatively, placing the diluted drops into an empty capsule can make ingestion much simpler and more palatable. Beyond internal use, oregano oil can be effective topically or through inhalation. For topical application, dilute a few drops with a carrier oil and gently rub it onto your chest or throat area. For steam inhalation, add 2 or 3 drops to a bowl of steaming water, then carefully inhale the vapor for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to keep your eyes closed during inhalation to avoid irritation. Before using oregano oil, always perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for sensitivity. It's also very important that pregnant or nursing individuals avoid using this oil. As with any powerful supplement, consulting a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen is highly recommended. Remember, oregano oil is potent, so never exceed the recommended dosages to ensure your safety and well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.